Hey there, it's Nicole and I'm going to show you how to use our new MONAT Facial Massager. I like to use this after my daily skin routine and it's great for product absorption. So let me show you how to use it. So I'm going to start at my neck and I'm going to make my way upwards. You're always going to do about 4 strokes. Going up, then I'm going to make my way to my jawline. Start in the middle and make your way to the ear. And just one more time. Going up one more. You never want to tug at the skin, you want to be very gentle. And we're going to go sideways like this 4 times as well. And then we're going to go making our way up on the forehead. And now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side, starting with the neck. We're going to make our way up. So I like to put this in the fridge. It feels great on the skin when it's cold. And going up again. And then we're gonna go to the left side. 4 strokes again. And then one more time going up on the forehead. So after each use, make sure you wash it with warm water and soap, and you're ready to use it again. Bye.